Aerobatics. Meaning: aerobatics refers to the practice of performing stunts or maneuvers with an aircraft, often in a spectacular or acrobatic manner. It can also refer to any exciting or skillful movements performed in the air. Definition: aerobatics is a noun used to describe the performance of aerial maneuvers or stunts that are often acrobatic in nature. These maneuvers are done with an aircraft and require high skill levels to execute, typically performed for entertainment or competitive purposes. Examples in sentences. 1. The pilot amazed the crowd with his impressive aerobatics during the airshow. Here, aerobatics refers to the stunts and maneuvers performed by the pilot in the air. 2. The aerobatics performed by the stunt team were truly breathtaking. In this sentence, aerobatics refers to the skillful and daring aerial maneuvers performed by the team.
English practice.